These AI tools are so powerful, they feel like they shouldn't even exist. We're talking about apps that can clone your voice, recreate your face, generate money-making content in seconds, and even write entire books, all without lifting a finger. Some of these tools are already being restricted. Others are being used quietly by insiders to make fortunes. But today, you're going to see them all. Because once you discover these 10 AI tools, you'll understand why some people say AI is no longer just technology, it's superpowers for sale. Artificial intelligence has evolved faster than anyone expected. What used to take entire teams, months of work, and thousands of dollars can now be done by a single person in minutes. And while most people only know about tools like ChatGPT or Midjourney, there's a whole underground world of next-level AI tools that push the boundaries of what's possible. And sometimes what's legal. These aren't your average productivity apps. Some of them can completely replicate your voice. Others can generate ultra-realistic videos that look indistinguishable from reality. And a few are so powerful that companies and governments are already trying to regulate them. So buckle up, because in this video, we're diving deep into 10 AI tools that feel illegal to use, but are completely real. 1. 11 Labs, the voice cloner, that sounds exactly like you. Let's start with one that's both mind-blowing and slightly terrifying. 11 Labs. This AI voice generator can perfectly clone any voice, tone, pitch, accent, emotion with just a few seconds of audio. You can upload a short clip of someone speaking, and the tool will recreate their voice so accurately that even friends or family couldn't tell the difference. It's used by filmmakers, YouTubers, and audiobook creators, but it's also been misused to make fake political statements, celebrity sound bites, and even scam calls. 11 Labs is so realistic that some governments have already called for restrictions on voice cloning tech. Using it responsibly is legal, but once you hear your voice speaking words you never said, you'll understand why it feels so unreal. 2. Sora, the text-to-video generator that creates movies from words. Imagine typing a sentence like "a robot walking through Times Square during sunset," and in seconds seeing it as a full cinematic video. That's exactly what Sora, OpenAI's newest creation, can do. This tool uses advanced diffusion models to turn text prompts into hyper-realistic video clips. Every frame looks like it was filmed with a professional camera, complete with lighting, movement, and natural physics. We've seen early previews of Sora generating minute-long scenes that rival Hollywood CGI. If this goes mainstream, movie production might never be the same. And here's the twist. Most people don't have access yet. Only a few insiders and researchers are using it under NDA. That's why it's often called the AI tool that feels illegal to own. 3. Midjourney V6, the AI artist that's redefining reality. If you thought Midjourney was just for making pretty pictures, think again. The new Midjourney V6 update is on another level. It can create photorealistic images so convincing that even reverse image search can't tell they're fake. People are using it to design products, create entire fashion collections, and even forge viral photos that fool millions online. From fake celebrity photos to non-existent luxury brands, Midjourney's realism has made it both revolutionary and dangerous. It blurs the line between reality and simulation so effectively that online truth itself is becoming harder to verify. 4. ChatGPT with Code Interpreter, the AI that can think and execute. You already know ChatGPT, but most people don't know about its hidden superpower, the Code Interpreter, also known as Advanced Data Analysis. This isn't just a chatbot anymore, and it can calculate, analyze, visualize, and automate complex tasks in real time. You can upload spreadsheets, images, or even data sets, and it'll instantly build reports, charts, or Python scripts to handle them. It's like having a personal data scientist, programmer, and problem solver all in one. Some users even use it to build entire businesses, automate trading strategies, and analyze market trends. It's perfectly legal. But the fact that one tool can replace multiple high-paying jobs makes it feel uncomfortably powerful. 5. Runway ML, Hollywood-level video editing for everyone. Next is Runway ML, the tool that's quietly changing filmmaking forever. Runway lets you edit and generate video using only text commands. You can remove objects, change backgrounds, add effects, or even create new footage from scratch without touching a camera. It's the same AI engine used in Netflix's The Late Night Show visual effects and several high-end music videos. You can turn rough clips into cinematic masterpieces in minutes. No editing experience needed. But what makes it wild is how easily it can manipulate reality. You can literally erase people from scenes, change weather, or swap identities. It's creative magic, but it's also digital sorcery that would have been unthinkable just a few years ago. 6. HeyGen, the human avatar generator. Ever wanted to create a talking human that looks, moves, and speaks like a real person? That's what HeyGen does, and it's almost too real. Upload a script, pick an avatar, or even upload your own face, and HeyGen creates a video of a person delivering your message with perfect lip sync, gestures, and eye movement. Businesses use it for sales videos, influencers use it for social media content, and scammers, well, some have already used it for deepfakes. HeyGen can clone your face and voice so well, it could fool your boss or your friends. It's meant for marketing, okay? But in the wrong hands, it's one of the scariest tools out there. 7. Synthesia, the AI news anchor factory. While HeyGen creates avatars, Synthesia goes one step further. It lets you build entire AI presenters, newscasters, teachers, spokespersons, who can speak in over 120 languages. Companies are using it to replace video presenters, training instructors, and corporate narrators, saving thousands of hours and dollars. But it's also raising questions about identity and authenticity. When you can make a realistic human speak any message in any language, who decides what's real? It's legal, but it feels like stepping into a sci-fi simulation, where people are no longer needed to deliver the news. 8. Opus Clip, the AI that turns one video into 100 viral shorts. If you're a content creator, this one feels like cheating. Opus Clip takes any long-form video, like a podcast or YouTube video, and automatically finds the most engaging moments. Then it cuts, captions, zooms, and formats them into short, viral-ready clips for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. What used to take hours of manual editing and timing can now be done in under 2 minutes. Top creators and marketing agencies are quietly using it to mass-produce content and dominate social media feeds. It's the secret weapon behind the AI content explosion. And once you see how easy it makes virality, you'll wonder if creativity still matters. 9. Perplexity AI, the Google killer. You've heard of ChatGPT, but Perplexity AI might just be the next big thing. It's an AI-powered search engine that combines the intelligence of ChatGPT with live internet access. Ask it any question and it not only answers, it shows the sources, citations, and live data. No ads, no SEO tricks, just truth and precision. Students are using it to write research papers, analysts use it for live data insights, and journalists use it to verify breaking stories. It's faster, smarter, and in many ways, fairer than Google. But here's the reason it feels illegal. It can bypass paywalls, summarize private data, and access information in ways traditional search engines can't. In the right hands, it's genius. In the wrong hands, it's chaos. 10. AutoGPT, the AI that thinks for itself. And finally, the most advanced and controversial one, AutoGPT. While tools like ChatGPT need your input for every step, AutoGPT can think and act autonomously. You give it a goal, like build me a business that earns $1,000 a month, and it plans, executes, and learns from its own mistakes until it reaches that goal. It writes code, finds tools, creates websites, researches markets, and even emails potential customers, all without human supervision. It's essentially an AI CEO running on autopilot. It's still experimental, but early users have already automated side hustles, lead generation systems, and entire workflows. And it's like watching AI take its first steps toward independence. And that's what makes it so powerful and so unnerving. So there you have it. 10 AI tools so powerful they feel illegal to use. From voice cloning to deepfake video creation, from AI editors to self-thinking agents, we're entering a new era where anyone, anywhere, can wield the kind of digital power once reserved for billion-dollar corporations. But here's the real question. What happens when everyone has access to tools that can rewrite reality? Will we use them to build a smarter, more creative world? Or will we blur the line between truth and fiction forever? Because in the age of AI, the scariest thing isn't what these tools can do. It's what people will do with them.